Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Ongoe Gashigi, and in today's video we'll be making delicious homemade lemon curd. You will need 4 lemons, zest the rind and juice them, 4 large eggs, 1 cup of sugar. The measuring cup that I used is half a cup, so 2 of those. I went generous with the second cup, so 50 grams of butter, and of course a pinch of salt. I went ahead and mixed the sugar and the eggs prior to igniting my stove, just to give them a head start. Turn it on and whisk continuously. Go ahead and add your zest and mix very well. You want everything incorporated. So this particular recipe is so easy, yet so versatile. I will most definitely be making recipes that incorporate this one in particular as an ingredient. So consider subscribing so that you don't miss an upload. Now go ahead and add your lemon juice slowly, all while whisking continuously. What you're looking for is a homogenized mixture and not scrambled eggs, so don't stop mixing. I'm not gonna lie, it's quite an arm workout, but I don't mind, so keep on doing it. At this point, the curd is coming together. It's definitely getting thicker, and it's your cue to add the butter. Add them bit by bit and mix. Ensure that it is incorporated well. Add the rest and repeat. At this stage is about to come off the stove, so just ensure that you've mixed them really well. Add your salt. Salt brings out the flavor of everything that you cook, so don't skip it. Go ahead and transfer it into a glass container. And at this point it's ready for use. Refrigerate, but before you refrigerate, ensure that it has come to room temperature, and then you pop it in the fridge, and then now it's ready for use. I used this lemon curd as a topping in my cheesecake recipe, which should be on my channel, so check that out. This curd is zesty, lemony, sweet, glossy, and of course delicious. Try it out and let me know how it turns out. Thanks for watching. Bye!